As a pediatrician, a common concern I encounter in the exam room every day is regarding nutrition. Childhood nutrition is so important, and as a mom of three, I definitely understand how stressful it can be. Every day we have to feed our children 3 meals and 2 snacks a day, and so then that can become, a bit, nerve-wracking when you realize that it's your job to keep your child healthy and to give them everything they need to grow and stay strong. I try to talk to my families about the importance of just providing a wide variety of foods to their children. And, by offering different types of fruits and vegetables throughout the day, even if they don't eat everything at one meal, divided throughout a whole day or a week, your child gets so many important foods into their body. So one of those tactics is just providing a wide variety and, a safety food at each meal too. Most kids have one food that they will eat, and if it's a healthy food and a safe food, it can make the other foods on the plate appear not so scary. Another strategy that I like to share with families is called the division of responsibility in childhood feeding. And it's a really cool strategy because it kind of divides up responsibilities for both the parent and the child. So the parent then, has the responsibility of providing the food, where they're eating it, and when. And so that's set to the side, and that's their responsibility. And then on the other side, the child is allowed to choose if they'll eat it and how much. By dividing out responsibilities, you set up these boundaries that make eating not so stressful and makes it so that you can possibly even enjoy your mealtime together. So I really love my job as a pediatrician, really, because I love children, so it's easy. And every day I get to come to work and I get to help parents, to educate them, to make them feel less stressed, to make their job more joyful. And to me, that's like the coolest thing in the world. So for me, my job is easy. I love it every single day. And being able to see kids and watch them grow and to help them be strong and healthy throughout their childhood, that's the coolest thing in the world.